ApeCoin is seeing a catastrophic drop in long trades, and the rest of the crypto market isn't looking too good either. Let's check it out. Before we get started, you can get access to these metrics and many more at the link in the description. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this page. All you got to do is scroll down and click I want in. It'll include over 110 trading charts and many other benefits like the community chat, masterclass courses, and our morning brew overview, where we do all the hard work for you every single morning and just provide you a quick clip of the market. Thanks for watching that, guys. The membership is what allows us to continue doing videos like this. Let's jump into it. Right now, I'm looking at ApeCoin on the Trade Confident .io website. First up is the emotional index. We've all heard the phrase be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful, and this chart will give you a great example of what that looks like. Right now, the emotional index for ApeCoin is sitting in neutral territory. This shows me there's a lot of indecision in the market. Next up, we have the long versus short trades. This is the metric that I was talking about at the very beginning in the introduction. You can see right here a sharp decline in long trades. This actually comes out to a value of just about 1,000, where this is well over 20,000. Now, this data is pulled from Bitfinex. Likely what happened here is long trades were liquidated, which probably ended up shooting the price down even more. You can see short trades have continued to move up here in the same amount of time. This is not great for ApeCoin. The value of long trades in the market is extremely low compared to short trades, and this is likely going to drive the price down even further. This is very bearish. Next up is the ApeCoin Smart Money Sentiment chart. Now, this chart will show you where whales are likely to put their money after market moves. Typically, after big moves down, we can expect whales to put money into long trades. We will have to keep you updated on this. This shows real hard data here. This shows sentiment. So as of right now, while the market has fallen, it is likely that whales will start putting money into long trades again, but it may be some time before that happens. They may wait for it to drop a little bit further after this balances out. Next up is the ApeCoin breakout detector. When the line is below impulse, this means that we're likely to see a big move in either direction. It won't tell you which direction. You got to use the other metrics to figure that one out, but it'll indicate a large move as possible. Right now, we are in the middle between impulse and consolidation, so we're likely to see a little bit of volatility, but nothing too crazy. If the line is above consolidation, it means we're going to see basically sideways movement for a time. Again, though, it's in the middle, so we'll likely see some volatility, but nothing too crazy. Next up, major support and resistance levels. The price has fallen below the major support level of $3.98 here. This has become the new resistance level for ApeCoin. The next major support level is at $2.61. Last but not least is the ApeCoin daily scanner. We can see now that ApeCoin has dropped below the blue midline. This indicates an official downtrend. We've been using it as structure support for some time now. We've just broken below that. So we will likely see ApeCoin continue in a downtrend for some time, and it has become structure resistance. So we will have to pay attention on the one-day time frame here to where ApeCoin is going to sit after it has fallen below that blue midline. Right now, I'm looking at ApeCoin USD on the 4-hour time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. I've mocked up the $2.61 structure support that we saw on the major support and resistance chart on the website. I've also shown there is some amount of structure support at the moment right now. We're currently testing it at $6.28 on this green line. We had previously come down from a point of structure resistance at $4.16, as well as a very large descending structure resistance that has lasted for a very long time, pretty much since the beginning of August. Since then, ApeCoin has been in a very big downtrend. We've been getting great buy and sell signals from the TC top and bottom finder. Anytime we've gotten a strong buy or buy signal, we've seen a great sell or sell signal pretty quickly after it. All of these have made that 4% profit that we typically look for. We did have a buy signal here, but recently the market has crashed. This is likely due to the S&P 500 seeing a very quick drop. If you're not aware about that, be sure to watch Travis's most recent video. He covered that in detail. Now, despite this really big crash, the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion are only in the middle of their charts. Trend exhaustion is a little bit low, but not as low as we'd like to see at this point. This means that we could actually see continued moves down from here. If we do see a move down and we break out of this current structure support that we're testing, there is another structure support right about here at $3.19. This is right in the middle of the current support that we're testing and the support structure shown on the major support and resistance chart. The 1-day time frame shows very similar sentiment from the price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion. The price versus well money flow is a little bit lower and the trend exhaustion is a little bit higher on the 1-day time frame here. But again, they're both in the middle, and this shows general indecision in the market. Overall, based on the fact that we could see bigger moves down, again, watch Travis's video if you haven't yet, and the very strong bearish sentiment from the Trade Confident metrics, I wouldn't be surprised to see ApeCoin fall to at least the $3.19 structure support. This, of course, relies on the fact that we do need to break through the $3.62, but as soon as that happens, I think we're heading straight for $3.19. There is a small possibility of a move up. If it did, I think it would rise to meet this yellow structure resistance, the descending structure resistance here. Probably around $4 is where it would touch. But again, I think this is fairly unlikely to happen. I think we're more likely to either basically stay right on the structure support and continue testing this for a time, or break down to $3.19. There you have it, everyone. A lot of long trades were liquidated from ApeCoin overnight. This is very, very bearish. There's so many more short trades in the market than long trades. We've also seen a lot of other bearish metrics for ApeCoin. And on the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing some indecision from the Trade Confident indicators. Now, one last time, if you want access to all these tools, links for them can be found in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.